So how to cancel a direct debit on Lloyds. So to cancel a direct debit on Lloyds, if you go ahead and open up the Lloyds app, and then you'll just want to go ahead and click on your Lloyds account here. Then once you've done that, you just want to click the three dots at the top. Then from there, it'll open you up to this settings page here. And to cancel a direct debit, you should be able to find it by clicking on regular payments here. Then once you've opened up recent payments, you should get a list of all the direct debits associated with your Lloyds account. So as you can see here, on this Lloyds account, we've got one direct debit set up with the DVLA. And if you wanted to go ahead and cancel it, go ahead and select it. And then it'll open you up to this page here. And if you want to delete the direct debit, click delete at the bottom. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. So just again, make sure you give this all a read and make sure you understand. As obviously, it's strongly recommended you contact the company to let them know before you cancel the direct debit. As if you are on a contract with anything you do cancel, you still may be liable to pay that direct debit even if you cancel. But let's propose you've done all that. If you go ahead and click delete at the bottom, you would have successfully deleted that direct debit off your Lloyds account, and they will not be able to take any more money out of your account. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.